Yo guys, Paul here with another video. Today's video, we are showing you guys how to solder a USB-C connector or a USB-A connector. Right now, as I'm not sure if you guys follow my stories on Instagram, but I'm making a Joker themed cable here. It's a two-tone. Right now, let me show you guys. Right here, there is a separation right here that goes into purple and then into green. This is I'm guessing at least, it's a long one. It's a very long one. I was thinking about coiling part of it, which I may coil it. It will be a separate video though. But in today's video, we're learning how to use these little guys right here. See those little pins that go right here? You gotta go and pin out, and I'll just let you guys know, this is what you use just to see. They go in order of the pin. Actually, yeah, see? Go in order of the pin. For this one, it will be going literally from this way, but in the back. So it's gonna be here. It's gonna be on this side. It's hard to show because if it's actually here. So this way it would be. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Since I need to finish up this build anyways. I am probably gonna use green. Do we have light green? Yeah, we do. Okay, we're gonna use green. Yeah, so we're using purple and green because it's a purple and green, a Joker themed. You get it? It's a Joker themed. And I always recommend doing a lot of stuff here. Is first grab these are $8 on Amazon. I have nicer ones, but they're not the right width for this. So what I would recommend doing, let me see if I can do this correctly, is take the smallest bit off, because this is gonna be the USB-C side. Take the smallest bit off. You should only take this much off. See that little silver part? That's all you should be taking off. See? I try to take the smallest bit off. I fix it. Alright. Now is the time when you have to get your solder. Where did my solder go? Here. Now, usually what you're going to want, you guys, is this kind of, this is 40, the 60-40 wire. This kind. 60-40 is the kind that I use for keyboards. It's just smarter to use this kind so that you, I mean, you can. I don't know if you can use any other kind in this. It is the kind that you need to use because it has. Guys, once your soldering iron is fully up, I have mine at 655 degrees because that's when it actually melts for some reason. But other of my friends actually have better ones. The exact same one. You can see those fumes because that's how it works. And then you always gotta clean this first. Alright, since it's showing silver all over it, now it's ready to solder. So I need to first so now it's clean. I have these guys, right? I'm gonna take them into my little prong thing here, my little prongs. I am physically gonna just grab onto it. This is a hack. What's his name? Cruise Control did. I didn't know you could do this. I have the same part as him, but what I'm gonna do here is actually it's gonna really kind of OP. It holds it while I use the soldering thing. I need to tin these wires badly. There we go. And as you guys can see, I am physically soldering them. You don't want to do too fast movements, because if it's still melting, or it's still soft, you're gonna run the risk of literally spraying it on you, which has happened to me numerous times. I can't tell you how many times this actually happened to me. See, just happened. See, I have nothing to do the whole thing. Alright, those are, I'm actually going to get a little bit more on this one. Alright, those are good now. Now you got to clean every time you finish it, I recommend cleaning your iron. I learned that the hard way, which I still got to get the iron fixed. Got that done. Now what we're going to do is take the other, let me show you guys. Take the other arm, if I can actually pull it over. Take the other arm. Let me physically show you guys here. Take the other arm and do it from here. I'm going to do this over here. I'm going to show you guys. But it's going to be harder for me to show you physically on the way I do it. So you got the 4 pins on the top. So I'm just going to literally that to you guys. So if you have the exact one I have, which is from Zap Cables, it's going to go from top to bottom. It's going to go black, green, white, red. So I need to do that. Where's my plier? I need to get bigger ones. These things are little things. That's one thing I should have ordered earlier. Was that. And then first, before you even do that, you need to solder up or tin up your contact points as well. Too much. Smells like ass, Jesus. There we go. Got that on. Now that is tinned up. Now what you gotta do is I'm actually trying something new here. I'm taking this physically. I'm taking this right here. I'm just moving this like that. Okay. It went black. So now we take this like in the order of that. Kind of line them up a little bit. Good. Flip off. There. Now try to show. Now good. Now green. Got it. Now. Good. 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 Why? Good. Finish fine. He's gonna be nice. Hey, Hey, so I'm here because daughter. Alright, this one should be good. Now I'm gonna put on the USB side to test it, but they look fine to me. Doesn't look like anything's coming out or anything. Yeah, they all stay in. Alright, we're good on that. Now we can try on the other side, which will be the USB-A side. We got that USB-C side on. If you have that on, that you are good. Yeah, see this thing's long. It's at least 7 feet, at least 8 feet. Yep, see that looks good. Looking good. What did I just step on? Alright, now this is where you have to be gentle. If you don't have like Pacific wire strippers, I don't know why this guy's being stubborn. There we go, got it off finally. And that guy was being a very stubborn person. I'm gonna cut away this stuff right here because it's a little bit longer than it should be. I mean, the tech flex is way too long physically. Alright, there we go. Now we can just peel it off. So there's gonna be a little phrase here, guys. Like how the real cord is built, but like, see that like that stuff. Yeah, that's gonna be going. You literally gotta cut it off. That's all you gotta do. But you gotta find the house, like the whole thing, though. Okay. Okay, and then we literally just cut it off. I throw it on the floor because I vacuum all this stuff is vacuumable. That's why I don't really care about if it goes on the floor or not. Okay. Now there's gonna be a wrapping. You can literally, I'm gonna show you guys in a second what it looks like. Looks like this. It's on the piece where you need to take it off. Okay. Now we got that. Oh my god, this is actually a lot of cable. Jesus. I'm gonna pop that like that. And then I'm gonna pop it like this. Jesus. I'm not even kidding, there's so much cable here. I may make this into a coil. I think it's important if I go coil. Because there's so much coil. There's so much, there's too much cable here, physically. There's just too much cable. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take it off for a second so I can trim it. This one you're gonna want to trim a little bit more because they're longer grooves. I'll show you in a second what I mean. I think I'm gonna see how much I should trim. Just about that. About 1.5 centimeters, I believe. Like this much. That much. You can see it. It's right there. Right there. Just about that much. I think it shows more on camera than it does in person, I feel like. perfectly good enough. We're gonna have to work with this really hard though. It's just gonna be a small one right here. This may not work. We'll see. If we have to recut it, we will. Alright, let's pray God this works. I also want to check. I physically think we're good. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Have a nice subscribe. I'll show you guys one more thing, or one more side of it. Let me show you guys. I turn off solder now. So this is the USB-C side. The USB-C side. With all the soldering done. And this is the USB-A side. With all the soldering. Usually you don't want it to be this close, but I couldn't get it any further out, so I screwed up on one part, so I had to do the other part. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know I'm gonna upload more often on this channel. I just haven't been doing cable videos, because I was out of stock on a lot of stuff. So, yeah, I was doing a lot of work. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you guys in another video.